Darn, I need a worm. So I just fed the fish my minnow. Oh, I think I got him. I think I got him. Oh! It's bluegill. I wish they'd get a little bigger.
Here at Raystown Lake. First time we ever fished here. And I got me what looks like a nice largemouth. This is going to be my first fish on Raystown. We're up here to meet another YouTuber from Great Cove Media tomorrow in the morning, starting out on a good note. I got him. He grabbed that minnow. He feels like a nice one too. He's got some weight on him. He's coming up. There he is. There he is. He's coming in. What do I got here? What do I got here? Look at the size of that white bass. Oh, look!
Oh, did you see that? That was following it?
That ain't the minnow he took.
Oh my goodness, what was that?
That was another one. These big white bass are schooling up in here this evening. Look at the size of this one. I think that boy.
That was something big.
That boy needs to go in the cooler.
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, we're going to stick it out here for a few more minutes this evening. Head in. I can't wait to see what the morning brings. Hooked them up that time. Looks nice. Looks nice. Nice largemouth. This guy hit me 3 times. It's going to be 4 pounds. All right. First catch of the morning here at Raystown. Good morning. We're up here with Eldon from Great Cove Media. We decided to make the ride up here to Raystown Lake, and hopefully this is a sign of things to come this morning.
Oh no, it's not. It's a little red eye. He's a little red eye. Gosh. They're making bigger. He's still
I want to pull hard. I got 4-pound test. It's a nice fish.
Sure, I'll net him.
Oh my.
You sure?
I think I got it.
Okay.
You can do it on if you want to. I can't horse him. This is not the kind of line you want for him, but
Bring him straight to this weed.
there's some tail walking right there.
Just swim right into it. Let him lie this way to the weed. Right.
There you go. Thanks.
Yeah. Nice fish.
This guy put up a pretty good fight. I had my small rod with 4-pound test on, a little minnow, and really fishing for small stuff with that rod, but got this guy. Good fight, lots of fun. We'll get him back in.